Hello guys, welcome to Spirotech 365. Today I am going to discuss about 5 tips in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have discussed 25 tips in Adobe Premiere Pro in 5 parts previously. You can check out in my channel. So let's start. The first tip is we can adjust our clip duration. Suppose this is the duration of these clips, 2 seconds and 5 frames. So if we want to increase or decrease its speed, we can do this by pressing Ctrl plus R. First we have to select the clips, and then we need to press Ctrl plus R. If we press Ctrl plus R, then this window will come up. After that, we can decrease or increase this speed of this clip. If we want to increase its speed, we can done this by 130. Suppose we put 130% and click OK, then the speed of this clip is increased. If we undo this, it will go back to its previous form. And if we want to decrease its speed, let's say 80%, so the speed will be increased of this clip. We can also do this. The window can be come out by pressing right click and go to speed duration. We can also do the exact speed from here. Suppose 2 seconds. So the speed will be 2 seconds of this clip. We can render in or out to a specific portion from the sequence. Let's say we want to render in from this point to this point. I have pressed I and O for in and out. Then we can go to sequence, render in and out. It will render from this point to this point. Only this portion, not the other portions. If we want to clear the mark in and out point, we need to press Alt plus X. So the in and out point will be cleared. You can export this portion also from export media. Only this portion will be there. You can see only this portion will be export, and we will get the output for this portion only. When we are working with color correction or color grading in Adobe Premiere Pro, you have to change the parameters from here. Suppose we have to increase the temperature or decrease the temperature, or increase the tint of this value, or decrease the tint, decrease or increase the tint, or increase the exposure to, just like this. We have to change these parameters from here, there and there in color correction and color grading. So if we want to reset these parameters, we need to double click here. If we double click here, the parameter will be resetted. Here is a reset button. It will reset everything, but if we want to reset this portion, this parameter only, we have to double click here. In the RGB curves too. So if we double click here, it will reset everything. We can work with keyframe from the effects control panel. To work with keyframe, first we have to put down, we have to select the clip. Suppose we want to scale this. We need to press this button here and suppose we do 31% and after that we will do it. We will make a keyframe here and this will be suppose 60%, and after that we make a keyframe here and this will be 90%, and there will be a keyframe, this will be 100%. We do the animation from the effects control panel by this type. You can also make a keyframe here on 30% and you can bring it down to again 100%. So it will be like this. That's the animation we can create by this. And here we can also do this, change types of animation from here: linear, Bezier, auto Bezier, continuous Bezier, hold, or ease in or ease out. If we choose Bezier, it will be a Bezier. If we choose here ease in, that will be ease in. So the animation type will be changed. We can also change the speed of this animation by this point. We can go to the keyframe by these 2 points. Go to the previous keyframe and go to the next keyframe. It will move the next keyframe. If we press here, it will go back to the previous keyframe. Here you can see there we have created animation from this panel. By the keyframe we have created an animation here. You can also do this for any point here, from position or rotation, anchor point or anti-flicker filter, opacity. You can do any kind of animation here by keyframing the clips or photos. We can duplicate these clips by pressing. We have to first select Alt, and then if we move this to here, it will be copied. By this way we can duplicate the clips. First we have to select the clips which we want to copy, then we have to hold Alt button and then a left click and move to where we want to copy these clips. This is the shortcut way to duplicate any clips or portion. So this is the 5 tips in Adobe Premiere Pro today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.